Dear students, today I am going to teach about third standard science. First, we will discuss about the self-hygiene. Self-hygiene. First of all, learning objects. After learning this lesson, students will be able to know the benefits of hand washing, understanding self-hygiene, acquire the habit of using toilet and avoiding open defecation. Again, I want to say learning objects. After learning this lesson, students will be able to know the benefits of hand washing, understanding self-hygiene, acquire the habit of using toilets and avoiding open defecation. Okay, children. Next, do you know about germs? Yes, germs are microorganisms that affect our body. Maximum of illness causing germs spread on your hands. One germ can multiply into 8 million germs in our hands. For example, coronavirus. There are some germs are spread on hands, phone, keyboard and using toilet seat. Okay children, now we see that one. Let us see one by one. We know that cleanness of that germs. So we need some cleanness. Let us see one by one. So we need some cleanness. Let us see one by one. We want to follow the steps for hand washing. We follow the steps for hand washing one by one. First step, wet your hands. Second one, palm to palm. Third one, back of hands. Third one, back of hands. Fourth one, between fingers. Fourth steps, between fingers. And then fifth steps, back of fingers. And then sixth step, base of thumbs and the wrist. Seventh step, fingers, nails. And then last 8 steps, rinse and dry. Okay students, we will see that demo, that hand washing for that demo. Shall we see the hand washing through the demo? First step, wet your hands. Second step, apply enough soap. Then third step, rub the palms. Fourth step, rub the back of each hands. Rub the back of each hands. Fourth step, rub the both hands holding all fingers. Fifth step, rub the back of the fingers. Sixth step, rub the tip of the fingers. Seventh step, rub the thumbs and ends the wrist. Last step, rinse the hands properly with enough water. So the next topic, benefits of hand washing. Kills or remove germs. Prevents eye infections. Lowers the risk of disease like cholera and coronavirus. Reduce the risk of respiratory infections. So our health department insists us to wash our hands often. Hand washing helps us to benefits of many diseases. So we want to wash our hands before and after eating and after using toilet. So we want to know that hand washing days, many days want to celebrate it. For example, Father's Day, Mother's Day and Independence Day, National Day also festivals that want to celebrate that hand washing day also. When October 15, celebrate that hand washing days. Next topic, using toilets. Next topic, using toilet. What is the necessity of using toilet? In the world, people have no access to the toilet. They are forced to open defecation. Open defecation spread diseases. Children affected intestinal walls, which causes anemia. So it is necessary to use the toilet. We have two types of toilets. One Indian toilet, another one Western toilets. So it is necessary to have toilets. Why it is important to have toilet? Prevents causes cholera. Offers privacy, is convenient, is safe. Next topic, effects of open defecation. Waterborne diseases like cholera and diarrhea. Disease caused by insect carrier. Groundwater is polluted by toilets. We know about the toilets. Two types of toilets. You must using the toilets, Indian toilet and the Western toilets. We know want keep our toilet seat clean and neat. So it helps us to prevent diseases. You know the celebrate the toilet day also? Yes, November 19. Toilet day is celebrated on November 19. Next topic, bathing. What are the methods of bathing? First one, shower bath and bucket bath. Which bath save our water? That bucket bath is save our water. Importance of bathing. Cleans our body. Removes dirt and odor. Odor means O-D-O-U-R. Odor means smell. Removes dirt and odor. Protect oneself from infections. Improves blood circulation. Next, safety measure in bathroom. Don't play the water in the bathroom. Don't save the soap bar on the floor. Don't touch the electric wire with wet hands. Okay children, we know that bathing. I hope you learn now using toilet, bathing and safety measure in bathroom. We will see next some hard words. Shall we see some hard words? First one, germs. Germs means a very small living thing that causes diseases. A very small thing that causes diseases. Anemia. A medical condition in which there are not enough red cells in the blood. This anemia means a medical conditions in which there are not enough red cells in the blood. The next, disease. This is the meaning of disease. An illness of the body in humans, animals or plants. An illness of the body in humans, animals or plants. Next, diarrhea. A lot of liquid phases. Phases means waste material comes out of their body. A lot of liquid phases or waste material comes out of their body. Next, circulation. The movement of blood around the body. What is the meaning of circulation? The movement of the blood around the body. Again want to say that hard words, germs. What is the meaning of germs? A very small living thing that causes disease. Next, anemia. A medical condition in which there are not enough red cells in the blood. Disease. An illness of the body in humans, animals or plants. Diarrhea. A lot of liquid phases or waste material comes out of their body. Circulation. The movement of blood around the body. Okay children, we know understand the lesson? Yes. We will next, we want to write on the board some questions. We will say the answer and write your notebooks. Next, answer the following is I want to write on the board some questions. You say the answer and write in your notebooks. First question, how many steps do we have for hand washing? How many steps? Already we know said to that. How many steps? There are 7 steps. 7 steps. How many steps you are hand washing? There are 7 steps. You know the answer? Yes. Next, when do we wash our hands? We should wash our hands. We should wash our hands before and after using toilet. After using toilet. Why? When do we wash our hands? We should wash our hands before and after eating and after using toilet. How do we get intestinal worms? Know that answer? Yes. We get intestinal worms by using defecation. Do you know? How do we get intestinal worms? We get intestinal worms by using defecation. Okay, the next question. Where are the germs found? Where are the germs found? Germs are found in hands, water, air, nails and ridges. Germs are found found in air, water, hands, nails and ridges. Alright, ridges. Where are the germs found? Germs are found in air, water, hands, nails and ridges. Okay children, next last question. When do we celebrate the Global Hand Washing Day and Toilet Day? Already we want to say, I asking the answer. When do we celebrate the Global Hand Washing Day and the Toilet Day? Global Hand Washing Day is Global Hand Washing Day. Global Hand Washing Day, October 15, and Toilet Day is celebrated Toilet Day is celebrated on November 19. When do we celebrate the Global Day and the Global Hand Washing Day and the Toilet Day? Global Hand Washing Day is celebrated on October 15 and the Toilet Day is celebrated on November 19. Okay children, we will see next class. Thank you.